Hello everyone, Sabelo speaking right here. So guys, so this is the first analysis of the year. The previous analysis was the last year, December, if I'm not mistaken. So I welcome you back, guys, into my free group. So I'll be dropping some amazing knowledge here. We are going to break down the market from the fundamental perspective and also technicals. So today I'll talk mainly about the US dollar. Okay, so as I'm writing trades on the Euro USD for a sell, so I'll talk much about the US dollar as a currency. Okay, so if you look at the previous trade that we took in our VIP group, okay, so this was the beautiful trade on Euro USD. Another one on, okay, on GBP USD, I took a trade somewhere here, but I got stopped out. But the market came to break this area of support. So I was correct with my direction, but I was wrong with my stop loss. So another one that we took, okay, currently this one is about to hit our TP2. And let's see, NZUSD, there's NZUSD that we took. Yeah, so we took NZUSD and we smashed the take profit to yesterday. So and previously we were taking sales on NZUSD. So we've been trading we've been looking for a buy on USD as a currency alone, then NZUSD we've been selling. So we are going to talk about why we've been looking for a buy on USD. So let's look at the DXY. Going to open my DXY right here. So if you look at the DXY as an index, the market made a push from this low and then came here, this area of head and shoulder pattern here, some sort of a head and shoulder, and then made it some sort of a consolidation. And then today or yesterday, it started breaking. So, and I'll show you the reason why this thing has a potential of going all the way up, even to break, can even break this high. Okay, if fundamentals are still on our side. So we are going to talk about fundamentals. So we're going to start with the Fed, okay, the interest rate. So the interest rate, on the interest rate side this year, I am expecting to see the US dollar going to the downside. As you can see here, in May, fundamentals are expecting to keep the interest rate on the where it is right now. There will be more changes. Okay, I mean they won't change the interest rates with 99.1%. So they are still um pausing the interest rates. But if you look at June, if you go to June, they are going to sell the interest rate. They are going to decrease it with 62% point five. And then July, they're still going to look at this 76%. Okay. So that means there's a possibility that we can see the US dollar as an index to do what? To drop. Okay. So across throughout the year, even let's check on December. So December, it's possible that we might see a drop of 98%, 98.3%. So that is only based on the Fed, the interest rates. So it's possible to get a drop because FOMC and the Fed, they really drive the US dollar aggressively. So if they come next week, so let's check When are they coming? When are they coming? Okay, 28 days to come. Okay, so the FOMC, they are going to release the speech, and then possible that we might see a pause for the month of May. Then on the following months, then I'll be expecting a drop on the interest rate on the for 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 the US dollar. So if we look at the DXY right here, so it's possible that we might see a drop after maybe in the middle of this year, from June, July, possible that we might see a change of direction. But if all of fundamentals are supporting a sell, okay, fundamentals like the US gross domestic product, the CPIs, uh, which is the inflation. So the inflation plays a big role in the market. Okay. So those are fundamental data that I'll be looking at. So I can even show you guys here. So those are fundamental data that I'll be looking at. Let's go to the previous month just to show you something here. The previous month, last month. So if we look at this, the US dollar has been rising because fundamentally they've been rising. If we look at this, the market is so healthy. The market is so healthy. Even the gross domestic product has increased with 3.4%, which is good for the US dollar. The unemployment claims has decreased. That means more people are getting jobs. And if more people are getting jobs, that means more people will be able to pay their bills, buy some things. The retail sales is going to grow. So that means the economy is going to be healthy. But long term, I see a drop. Okay, I see a drop long term. It's possible that we might see a drop because once the market drop the interest rates, once they drop the interest rate, what does that mean for the US dollar? It means there will be no people, big companies that are going to be investing in the US dollar. So possible that we might get a sell there. But for now, it's better to buy because if you look at the current data here, uh, here it's rising, the consumer sentiment, meaning that people who are consuming stuff, they're buying products, they're buying services, they have money to buy. Okay, they do have money to buy. The gross domestic product is increasing. And even yesterday, guys, we've got, let's see, yesterday, let's go to this month or this week. So this week we've got the manufacturing PMI, which was positive, okay, which was positive with 50%. So 50% is much greater, guys, for the manufacturing PMI. Remember that if the manufacturing PMI is below 50, that means there's something wrong with that currency. So as long as they are above 60, as they are sitting at 50.3, that means the economy is getting on track. Okay. And today we also got job openings positive again. It's positive with 8.76 million. So that is a big, big, big move. So now let's go to technicals. Now let's go to technicals. Okay, so maybe we can just look at the US dollar, guys. The Euro USD. So Euro USD we've been selling based on fundamentals. Last week we saw the market dropping. We saw the US dollar being bullish, being bullish based on these numbers here. We saw the market being bullish. Let's go to last month. So we saw um, market was being bullish. Where's the US dollar? So we're talking about the US dollar. Okay, let's go to last month. Last month. Yeah. Yeah, we are here. So the last week of last month, the market came positive. Okay, it came positive. So that gave me, a conclusion that the market is going to be bullish, which is the US dollar. Then that means here, Euro USD, we are going to sell it. Okay, so we are going to sell it. So let's look at now we are going to focus on technicals because they go hand in hand, technicals and fundamentals. Okay, so if we look at this, you can even remove everything here, guys. So if we look at this on the weekly time frame, the market is neutral. Okay, the market is neutral, then we can mark our areas of interest. We see an area of uh some sort of a double some sort of a head and shoulder pattern there. But as long as we don't break the neckline, we are still, you can say it's a range. Okay, but if we do get a breakout here, then we can conclude and say this is a beautiful head and shoulder. So if we move to daily, so daily time frame is so beautiful because we were bullish previously. We were bullish, bullish, bullish. And then the news came positive for the US dollar. And then we saw the Euro USD starting to sell. Okay. And that's why we are chasing these sells up until you reach this zone. Okay. Let us draw this properly. So my target is here. As long as the US dollar is gaining strength, I'll be looking for sales on Euro USD. So coming to 4 hour, 4 hours, you can see, guys, you can clearly see that we are having this downtrend, and our main take profit is going to be here. Okay, our main take profit is going to be there. We've been breaking the structures. Let's look at this. Here, the market broken that one. And even if you zoom in and look at the current data here, we have the previous low here yesterday. I mean, the day before yesterday. And then yesterday, the market broken. Today came to retest. Now we are doing what? We are selling this. We are selling all the way. Okay, let me mark my entry because I took a sniper entry here. Took a sniper entry. Stop loss somewhere here. First target is going to be here at the previous low. Second target is going to be at this main TP. This is my main TP zone. So all of these setups I've given out to my VIP group here. So I can go to the recent one here. So all of these setups are given out. So yeah, here. This is my Euro USD setup. As you can see, I took it exactly at the 61.8 FIB retracement. So now we are in profit as we speak. The market is dropping. Okay. So same thing with the GBP USD. I'm still expecting to see the market coming to give us an entry there and then drop. Okay. So on the flip side, Euro CHF, I'm bullish. Okay, I'm bullish, and yes, I've given out this one as well. Where is it? I've given out so many signals for the month of March. I've given out so many winning signals. I'm talking about wins. Okay, you can see a lot of winning signals. These are recent. GBP NZD, I'm still looking for a buy, but on the flip side, GBP Canadian dollar, I'm selling. I know why I'm buying on the other side, I'm selling on the other side. It's because the GBP is neutral. this month. Okay, the fundamentals are mixed. There is no clear direction on fundamentals on GBP. So that's why I can sell it on the other with other currency, and then all the other one I can buy it. Okay. So this was the signal of the US dollar. US dollar CHF. Given the signal on my VIP, this was the signal on NZD USD. This is the previous signal. And if you check NZD now, NZD USD now, let's check what's happening here on NZD USD. Where is it? Okay, here is it. So I've taken the signal here, given the signal and then market drop. So this was a sniper entry with a risk ratio of 1:3, as you can see, 1:3R. So all of the signals that I break down, I've been giving them out. GBP CAD, I've given out a signal there, then the market dropped. So if we check here, what's happening on GBP CAD, here the market just dropped, and now I'm giving another signal for a sell again. Okay, I'm giving another signal for a sell. As we speak, we are in profit. As we speak, we are in profit. Let's go to the smaller time frame. So my entry was a sniper entry right here, and then the market started to drop. Okay, so let's check other signals that I've given out. Euro USD, given a signal here, and let's check right here. Euro USD, where is it? I've given a signal when the market was here. Okay, stop loss somewhere here. I've given a signal similar to this. Yeah, Euro USD. This was the signal. And if you scroll above, there was another signal on AUD NZD, and we are still in this trade. We are still in this trade. Where is it? This one. Okay. So this one is still moving to the upside, although it's choppy, although the market is not making clear impulsive moves, but it's still moving towards our direction. So I've been giving out so many signals, even from the beginning of this year, from January. I've given a free access to my group on January this year. And then February, I did the same thing. I've given out free access to my group, and then I started to charge people this month. I mean the previous month, which was March. So all in all, guys, as I'm breaking the market down, I also give out signals, and people are winning with my signals. So that means the strategy that we are applying, which is fundamental strategy, that is also corresponding with our technical strategy, is working. So even if you don't afford my mentorship or you don't afford my signals, a VIP, you can just watch this type of videos. Watch this type of videos and practice on your demo account using this information. Then you are going to see the light on your trading. Trust me, you are going to see the light. So this was another signal that I've given out. I've given it, I think, somewhere here, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if my stop loss was here, but we can go back and reflect. We can go back and reflect on my previous signals. Where was it? Where was it? Here. This is the profit. Taken a buy here, taken another buy here, then the market started to push to the upside. So now I've closed all of my trades on the US oil. So guys, just use the strategy that I've given you out, then you are going to see some profit. So these are new trades. These are new trades. NZD Canadian dollar. I'm selling it. We are still at break even. This one also Canadian dollar CHF. This one I think I've given out the signal late. Let's check it. Given the signal late, which is this one. You see, the market has already moved towards our direction. I've given it today. NZDJPY, we're also having a pending order there, a sell limit for a drop. Which one as well? So NZD another signal there. Euro USD, this Euro USD is in profit as we speak. Okay, Canadian dollar CHF. I've taken a buy from last week, which is this one. So I've taken a buy, although I took a buy aggressively. I think I've taken a buy somewhere here. Then my stop loss was somewhere here. So this was a short-term trade. This was a short-term trade. And then when the market was somewhere here, I told everyone to close because I knew that there is a pullback coming. There was a pullback coming. So let's see. Yeah, I told them that I'm out on this one. Okay. So I told them that I'm out on this one. And then immediately I've given an alert. The market decided to drop. Immediately, as you can see, I've told them to close when the market was here. And then immediately the market just dropped. So guys, use the information that I'm giving you out. It's free. It's a free information. You can use it anytime. It's free information. But if you have like capital to invest in my course where I go deep and explain everything in detail, you can join my strategy group. And if you want signals, paid signals, you can join. It's $25 per month. But if you don't have money, you can just use the information that I post on YouTube because it's working. It's working. Okay. And just use the free information. You don't have to pay if you don't want to. You just need to learn the information that I'm giving out and practicing and put a lot of time practicing the information because without practicing, Forex is not theoretical. Forex is a practical game. You need to practice. Yes, you can take notes here and there, but if you don't practice, you won't see any progress in Forex. Doesn't matter how you're good in theory. But if your practical skills are very poor, then you won't see change. So please, guys, practice using the information that is free on YouTube, and then you are going to see the lights. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.